Getting to know you, getting to know all about you, getting to like you, getting to hope you like me, getting to know you, putting it my way but nicely. You are precisely my cup of tea.
And Jehovah told the Israelites they had to regularly attend festivals, and he told them, don't you worry about your homes and fields, you go worship me when I say to go worship me.
Jehova prasīja, lai izrēlieši apmeklētu gadskārtējos svētkus, un teica, nav jāuztrauc par to, kas notiks ar mājām un laukiem. Es parūpēšos, ja vien jūs man pielūgsiet.
Similar today, where some make sacrifices to make it to their conventions.
Līdzīgi arī mūsdienās, un daudziem ir jānes upuri, lai apmeklētu kongresus.
And we're really never disadvantaged for doing that.
Un nekad mēs nepieredzam kādu zaudējumu šā
Here's
iemesla dēļ.
one example that comes from Burma or Myanmar. They're known by both names.
Lūk, kāds gadījums no Birmas vai Mjanmas, ar abiem vārdiem šī valsts pazīstama.
This brother lived with his family in a remote village.
Kāds brālis ar savu ģimeni dzīvoja nomaļā ciematiņā.
They wanted to attend their district convention, a 2-day journey by boat and truck.
Viņi vēlējās apmeklēt apgabalu kongresu, bet tur bija jābrauc 2 dienas ar smago mašīnu un ar
But no one would
laivu.
watch over our chickens while we were away.
Bet, kad ja mēs aizbrauksim, neviens jau nepieskatīs mūsu
Still, we
vistas, viņi
put our
domāja.
trust in Jehovah and attended the convention.
Tomēr viņi paļāvās uz Jehovu, devās uz kongresu.
Now, what happened when they got back from the convention?
Kas bija noticis, kad viņi atgriezās no kongresa?
They found they had lost 19 chickens.
Izrādījās, ka viņi ir zaudējuši 19 vistas.
Now, that's not a small matter in Myanmar. That's a very serious economic blow to a family.
Mjanmā tas nav nekāds sīkums, tas ir nopietns ekonomisks trieciens.
But they were glad they went to their convention.
Tomēr viņi bija priecīgi, ka bija devušies uz kongresu.
Now, 1 year later, their small flock had increased to more than 60 chickens.
Gadu vēlāk viņu nelielais tas vistu puciņš bija pieaudzis līdz
And
60
while many
vistām.
villagers lost their chickens to disease that year, none of our brothers' chickens died.
Daudziem citiem ciematiņu iedzīvotājiem vistas nomira no kādas slimības, bet mūsu brāļa ģimenē neviena no tām nenobeidzās.
So, we're not going to say what Jehovah did or did not do. The brother did not get deprived because he went to his convention.
Jā, nu tad nepaspēja pateikt, ko Jehova darīja nedarīja. Tad nekas slikts ar brāli nenotika, tāpēc, ka viņi